Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check your Android version and confirm the device supports live caption. Open Settings and tap Sound or Accessibility depending on your phone. If you see a live caption toggle in Sound, you're in the right place. Once done, do not enable other caption apps. They can override system controls. Make sure your phone is unlocked and audio is playing so controls appear in later steps. This speeds the removal process and avoids confusion. You'll now find the live caption control. Navigate to Sound Settings and look for live caption, or go to Accessibility then Hearing Enhancements if it's moved. Tap the live caption entry to open its settings screen. This shows a simple on/off toggle and options for language and auto captioning. Once there, flip the toggle off. You should immediately see captions disappear from any playing media. If they persist, move to the final step to fully stop the service. Finish by turning the live caption toggle off and then restart the media that had captions. You'll confirm they're gone. If captions persist, reboot your device because services sometimes hang. Make sure accessibility shortcuts aren't re-enabling it. Disable any shortcut that triggers captions. If problems continue, clear the cache for the Android System Intelligence or relevant accessibility app and check for system updates. Updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.